I just kind of did a little bit of just kind of showing you guys how I have made an adjustment as to how I am positioning myself. In my previous video, I showed you how I spent basically my whole day sitting down studying, and that's not something that I can really sustain because I was very tired at the end of that day. So I kind of made some changes, moved myself around, stood up. I have moments when I am sitting down on this chair. I also got a back thing, which that really helps out when I'm sitting on this chair. And then I'm sitting also on a white chair, whenever I need to study there. So there's a lot of movement throughout my study sessions, which I feel like that's helping me with my attention, which I'm also learning, man, my attention is definitely a muscle that I need to keep on working at. So I just want to encourage you, if you're there and you're feeling like your mind is like a monkey brain that never really quiets down, I totally understand that feeling, and I'm making actions to keeping myself engaged. So maybe if something you're watching here helps you out, or you're thinking, oh, maybe that could be an idea that I could apply in my own learning journey, please go ahead and do so. That's the whole reason as to why I want to kind of share my perspective as a novice in what I'm learning, and kind of be a bit vulnerable because a lot of people, when they're sharing something, they're sharing it from a point of really knowing what they're talking about, and I am basically in discovery stage. So I hope you find this helpful, and at least you feel that you're not alone. So with the Network Plus, I'm still rewatching the videos at this current stage. Today is July 10th. I got 5 days until when I want to take this examination. And I definitely know that I'm going to still rewatch a couple more. I'm going to re-rewatch other domains, especially the ones dealing with the cable connections, not just the subnetting calculations. There's also the port numbers. None of those things do I really want to memorize per se, so that I could go and jot put it down on the whiteboard. That's not what I want to do. What I want to do is be able to have an understanding of the concept so that when they do arise in the exam, I can be able to work my way through. So I hope that really makes sense. I'm still learning how to better communicate myself. And then the other thing that I wanted to share was today I got a message on an email about a change with the bachelor's degree. So it's going to no longer be the data management, data analytics degree. It's going to be just the data analytics degree, giving the options for students to be able to switch their major, I guess, from the data management, data analytics degree to just the data analytics degree. And so initially I got just an email, and then later on today I got a video accompanying a second email. And so it's going to be interesting. I mean, it's a bit of a shock, and I'm waiting until I really talk with my mentor so that I know how this affects kind of my learning journey. What changes are we going to make? But I'm kind of excited for it. I speak with my mentor again about it just to know how that affects me, what are the plans moving forward. But I just wanted to share that with you guys because I guess I'm sharing my journey. So there's the change to the journey. So I hope you find this video helpful, encouraging. And also the other thing I was thinking about today was just kind of remaining that calmness of knowing that even if I go and I take this exam on the 15th and in the worst case scenario that I don't pass, I know that right now mentally I'm in a position where if that was the consequence of this work that I'm doing, that I go and I do it and I don't pass, it's I'm okay. In the past I used to really beat myself down for the failures that I encountered, and I didn't really recognize that those failures are there to help me make improvements and become better. So I also want to encourage you, if you're in the process of taking an examination or whatever test it is that you're out there facing, be it something academic or not, it's if you find that you've actually failed in it, don't discourage yourself, give yourself some grace, and get back at it. So I hope this video finds you well and that it leaves you even better. And let's keep learning together. So, thanks guys. Bye.